What is up, y'all? I'm Stanley 7. I'm all about living the dream. And on this episode right here, I got a request from one of my followers. Not really a request, but more or less say I asked for y'all ideas on videos because I want to make videos specifically for you. But this channel is all about living the dream. Make fishing baits, fishing apparel, all kinds of fishing stuff. I give fishing tips for fishing in Louisiana areas that I know that I fish my whole entire life at this gas station right here. This is one of the locations that we sell our baits, and we're gonna expand this location. We got the pegboard up. Now since I got the pegboard up, we gotta put some baits. And you see those shelves right there with the water? We're gonna decorate that too. It's about to look 7 style. Officially set up, have our own rack right here. We got stuff in this store that nobody, all the other stores doesn't have. We're gonna take a little ride and we're gonna go to another store. Right, guys, so I went in there, we had a little conversation, we talked. He recognized me right off the bat. That made me feel absolutely comfortable. So stay tuned, get ready. They're gonna have some product and one more quick little thing. Right, guys, so I went stock up a couple of stores. But you already know, can't finish the video without fishing. So I'm out here with, once again, my teammate Brandon, his boat, he's on the front, and another buddy of mine, Lance. I fished with both of them. You already know Brandon. Lance, he been fishing with me once, and yeah, besides the talking, let's start the casting.
Hey, that's got some. Oh, that's a big one. That's a
Oh my
monster.
God! Yes! Yes, baby! Yeah! I don't even realize we was all just talking a whole bunch of mad smack. And yes,
I got a scale in there if you want to weigh.
and yes, yes, baby, living the dream. Hey guys, let's get them in the live well. Yeah. Another one, baby. Get him in, sling him in. Woo! He just got one while I was dropping that one. This is his second one. Same bait. It's not as big as mine. That bait, that color. I think that's your new favorite color. No way, son. Get him in, get him in. Yes! My man, smoking them.
What you got, big dog? Motor's down, motor's down. You got a fucking alligator? You got a fucking alligator. Remember that alligator I was telling you about? I think you fucking found it.
Ooh, what do we have, y'all? What do we have? I just don't want to lose all my string. I think I know what he is. I just don't want to lose all my string. He ain't gonna break this pole. I just don't want to lose all my string. Let me get the knife here. I don't want to lose all my string. We all know what he is. I just don't want to lose all my string. He's right there. Oh. Woo! All right. All right. He popped it. Woo! That was the biggest one. Today is now over with, Brandon. You cast that tree yet?
A couple times.
Yep. Do y'all see what I got to deal with? I'm like, somebody cast a tree. You just seen it. He's like, yup. I'm in the middle of them, so like my area of catching fish is very limited. But I got the biggest one so far. He's got the most. Lance ain't got one yet.
I'm talking about running. God, dog.
No way. No way.
I think you caught it.
Yeah, it was a stick. It was... Another one. Get him in. Yes! This is a professional teammate right here, teaching us how to pull up bass left and right. Y'all seen that? That's what, number 4? 5? That's number 5. Teaching. He's teaching you how to catch bass and look like morons. Got him. Woo! Slinging. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Biggest and smallest, baby. Seemed like they had more on this side than the other. Damn.
You know, once we get Lance on one, that's it.
Fucking dick. Fuck you. I'm cutting you off.
You fucking kidding me?
Yes.
You kidding me?
Yes. Get him in. Get him in, baby. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right in front of me.
Dude, did y'all see that? Let's get a recap. I threw right there, I felt him, I was like, hell no, I'm cutting him off.
That is, boy, you down bad for that. This is a fucking nice one. That boy, that's in front of me.
You putting them all in?
All over there.
In this one?
Oh, the other one.
Hey.
You doing in that one?
Because I want to keep my 2 big ones separate. Because I want to see who's got the biggest ones.
Right there, Lance. I threw it right there.
Because
no,
we was right there. We was right there.
Dog.
Not even 2 foot, like 6 inches. We can rewatch it. Because I had threw right there, I felt the bite, so I was like, oh, fuck that. I seen you throw, I was like, Nah, fuck that.
Clean out the boat. You done went flying out the boat. You just done some shit like that in this boat, I'm gonna tell you. It'd have been over with. There'd have been no saving you. I wouldn't have been able to save you. You'd have just been swimming.
I'm gonna send a video clip to your father-in-law and be like, hey, you wanna go fishing with me? He's gonna be like, hell no, you little bastard.
I can't believe that just took place.
It happened though.
I knew it was a perch.
You think?
Yeah, cause it had that, it's that vibrating bite.
Oh.
I ain't never had a bass vibrate like that, but I still like to catch them.
To call somebody my friend, like, hey, you're my friend? Yeah, my way.
Lance, you noticed that, huh?
What?
He said you gotta get invited to his wedding. You got invited?
I'm not getting married yet, but I guarantee y'all two motherfuckers will be.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I ain't gonna keep on.
This
I'm pretty sure I am.
Hell yeah.
What kind of beer you have? Makes a difference.
The kind that goes down, that's all I can say. Cause I guarantee you after I get married.
Or the gifts, are they gonna be baked?
My man got one. Yeah. Got the Jerry's. That's it.
That's it, it's on now.
That's it. He's about to smoke us. He's about to come back and show us. Yes!
I love fishing them tall grasses. Have I ever told you that before?
Just finished telling us he loves those grasses. And he throws. And he catches. Oh, yes! Get him in. Get him in. Yes! Oh, that's number 7. Smoking them, y'all. To this, Brandon's gonna set the hook on this one. If he does it, then I'm gonna have to. Let me just back him up. I ain't even gonna reel. All right, he's done with the hole. Let me give it a try, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, if I catch one right here talking all this shit, it will be an epic video. Give it a big like. And was a not successful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are bass fishing. That's right, y'all. This man got another one. Look at that. He's tearing them up, y'all. Ooh, what you, oh my God. Get the net. Get the net. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Get him. Get him, Brandon. Get him. Get him. He's right there. Get him in. Ooh. Yes. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Look at that baby. Yes. Woo! Yes. That's all I'm talking about. Put him in that tank.
Yeah, right.
Keep them separated so we can see who got the bigger one.
You put your big one in this tank?
Yeah.
That's some shit.
Hey, we're gonna mark this one.
You wanna mark it?
No, she'll fish. You mark them. Alright, we got one mark. We got 2 marks. Alright, we marked them. Alright, there we go.
The whole fucking water flowed on the bait. So I let him take it. I let him take the whole bait. And then I whack. So I didn't say shit. You didn't notice I went real quiet? I was about to pee on myself. I ain't never seen that in my life. All I saw was a swell. I was like, damn, because I just threw it. Then I realized when I saw the fin come up, I was like, pop, and it was on.
Goes the weasel. All right, Brandon is schooling us. He's like at 10. Let me clean the lens off. We're gonna need a good clean lens when we get back to the marina because we gotta see who's got the biggest.
Hey,
I'm on a boat, motherfucker, take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep sea. Busting real trucks, and I'm flipping copies. I'm flipping burgers, you ain't keep go straight, flipping copies.
Yeah,
got the 2 slits. $212.
212.
We agree on that?
212. Now I gotta dig in here and find the big one. They got a whole bunch of bass in there, but I see that big one right there. Look at that face.
What was mine?
Look at that face. Oh! Beat him, baby. Yes, by a pound. Not just by like a couple of ounces, by a pound. So you already know 7 did the thing. If y'all like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Give me your thoughts on this video. No, I normally do giveaways at videos, but I did not do a giveaway this video, so I might do one if you give me your ideas on how I should do the next giveaway. Comment down below. Hope you like this video. Stay living the dream.